and tennis icon Sania Mirza. About Okera. There are lots of things, honestly, but the two that I'd like to focus on today are design and our core purpose. Design is something we diamonds, and we craft this into very, very beautiful jewelry. The other thing that's important for you to know is about our core purpose, which is really about women making choices. And that's why we thought that it was only appropriate that we have these two wonderful women here with us to unveil our collection. These are two women who, in their own streams, have shown determination, strength, courage, made decisions, made choices, and achieved so much in their respective fields. So much respect for you, and thank you so much for being here. Yeah. Before
We also would like to spend a few words about the new collection. So, as mentioned before, Okera means choice, and it stands as a symbol of strength and individuality. So, our new collection brings this concept to life and transforming the sound wave of the word choice into a sculptural and timeless design who wants to celebrate women who confidentially creates their own path in their life.
Yeah. Okay. At Aukera, design and attention to detail are so important. And in our collection, every pieces that you will see are balanced, proportional, and very special setting that let the light shines through, creating amazing and elegant light effect. And we design our unique and new diamond cut. It's called E3 cut diamond, and it is inspired, as Ludovica said, to the peaks of the sound waves of the word choice. Brilliance of our bold choice and the timeless elegance and style at Okera. So thank you again for being here tonight. Thank you.
Yeah, we will now unveil the Echoes of Choice, which is our signature collection. I'm going to invite Tapsi and Sania to do that. Just go down this way. Yes, right here. Yeah. Okay, I guess there's no questions, but I'll just. Oh, you have a question? Good evening, everyone. First of all, it's a pleasure being with two very strong women. So for anybody that's followed me in my life and in my career and the things that I've said, I've been a big advocate for women empowerment. And for me, stages like this really make a lot of sense and they make me feel very, very proud. So thank you for having me here.
with you all. And as you can see, the jewelry is beautiful. It speaks for itself. So I don't think I need to speak about that. But I do want to speak about the message behind everything. And the message behind this is my choice and my voice. And choice is something that is our birthright. And I think that we should all voice it. And I think that Tapsi and myself try and in our own ways to do it in the capacity that we can. And we are fortunate enough to have platforms where we are able to do it. And whatever that choice may be, it doesn't have to be always liked. It doesn't have to always be the perfect choice according to the rest of the world, as long as it fits what you feel, what your heart feels, and if you're not hurting people in the process, then it's your birthright to make that choice. And that's why this collection and everything with this collection really resonates with me. And yeah, so thank you for having me here. It's again an honor and a privilege to be here, and thank you for coming.
Add on to things because she said everything. So I think I've always thought of jewelry and primarily diamonds as resonating what I see a woman like. It looks beautiful and fragile from the outside, but extremely strong and hard from the inside. So it's very synonymous with womanhood for me. So hence obviously we're celebrating it close to Women's Day, this beautiful collection. I just couldn't say no, or rather, I thought that I'm lucky to be sharing this platform. When I got a chance, when I got to know that Sanya is going to be there, because she's been someone who I've always looked up to in my life. I don't really need heroes only in my profession to look up to. I feel you learn so many things from women from different walks of life, and she's been one of them. So thank you so much for giving me a chance to do that. Uh, and no, no, not at all. Actually, no, because then I feel like, okay, someone like her can do it. Yeah, I agree to that. So thank you so much for giving me that chance. And yeah, the jewelry looks extremely beautiful, extremely delicate, and I think I'm a person who's probably doesn't get chance to wear jewelry in real life as much, because we are always getting ready for some shoot. But this sort of designs make you feel like I can actually wear it on a date night, that kind of a vibe, or to a formal party. So it does make me feel that I can pick up this jewelry and wear it uh, in my life casually, not necessarily wedding occasions, right? So that's very beautiful part of it. And yeah, the choice, as she beautifully said, that it's our birthright. So I don't think we should just celebrate us, or rather feel like, oh, this is special because she is making choices. I think it's our birthright. Every woman, man, or anybody should have the right to make choice. Good, bad, ugly, right or wrong, it's going to be your choice. You can celebrate it later, or you can yeah, but it will be yours. So yes, let's celebrate making choices. Thank you.
To add on to that, the campaign is called My Choice, My Voice. And this is something that we started with Sanya and Tapsi about a month ago. And it has gathered so much momentum. Was so many women just resonating with it and saying, My choice, my voice, Okera. This means a lot to us as as we're on a mission. We're on a mission to inspire change. We love women. Okera's made for women, by women, and we're really proud to be presenting Echoes of Choice. And we'd like more and more women to say, My choice, my voice, Okera. If there are any questions, we're happy to take.
Tapsi ji, hi, your jewelry choice.
हाँ.
क्या क्या होती है आपकी ज्वेलरी चॉइस?
Actually depend करता है occasion and what kind of outfit. Sometimes what happens, I want to wear a certain jewelry, so I choose the outfit accordingly. It depends on that, but primarily occasion. So as I said, if it's an evening wear and I feel like wearing a dress, so I'll definitely wear what I'm wearing right now. With a dress which is an open neck dress, I would wear. If I'm wearing something more like closed neck like that, I would wear something in the ears and the bracelet,
something like that. So it depends on the occasion and the outfit I would want to wear.
Sania ji, what about you?
Like every girl, I love diamonds. So my choice starts with diamonds and kind of ends with diamonds. The size differs according to the outfit, but
That's why she has 5 piercing in her ear. You know, even I have 5 piercings in my ear.
Really?
We have 5. Like, we can wear a lot of diamonds.
Yeah, we can wear a lot of diamonds.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it really does depend actually on what I'm wearing. And also in my life in general, I've not had the opportunity to, matlab, my job didn't allow me to wear too much diamonds or jewelry. So now after I've retired, I'm really like making up for all of that, as you can see.
She's only sleeping also in diamonds.
Oh, मुंह में घी शक्कर.
Done? Okay.
No one is.
It's done, right?
8th of March को कोई ऐसी ज्वेलरी, क्योंकि कोई नहीं है तो मुझे लगा कि
अच्छा, एक और पूछ लो,
8th
मौका
of
पे
March
चौका
को
मार रहे हो
कोई ऐसी ज्वेलरी जो आपकी फेवरेट है, आप ऐसे परचेस करना चाहेंगे?
8th of March तो आ गया ना? कल ही है, तो अब मैं ये लेके घर जा रही हूँ. प्लीज ये सवाल नहीं पूछना था, शायद इनको नहीं पता चलता फिर. और कोई क्वेश्चन जिनको मेरी ज्वेलरी चॉइस पता चल चुकी है अब आपको कि मैं क्या घर लेके जाने वाली हूँ.
Very thorough in our speeches. They know everything
Yeah.
about this.
They don't want to. They are speechless. They are speechless after our speech. Cool. Are we done?
Thank you.
Okay. Done. Oh, they want one-on-one attending that. They want.
और सानिया जी and तापसी जी कैसा रहा association with Okay.
I too had really good time shooting for such beautiful looking jewelry with such beautiful human being. I had a really good time, not just at the shoot. I was also looking forward to this event, and especially it's falling so close to Women's Day. So what better to be celebrating with some really strong women?
Same. I mean, it was a lot of fun. I think for me, you know, obviously she shoots a lot more than I shoot in life in general. But for me, I try to associate myself with brands that I truly believe in. And so when this had come, you know, as an opportunity, and then they said who was involved in it, you know, with Tapsi, it was an amazing opportunity for me as well. I had met her briefly socially at a tennis event, so yeah, it's good to get to know her. And like she said, I mean, strong women support strong women. And I think that is something that we all must do in order for us all to climb together, and in order for us all to achieve and succeed together, we all need to support each other.
एंड मैडम दो ब्यूटीफुल वुमेन वो भी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्लेस के हैं जो अपने अपने इंडस्ट्री में बहुत ही नाम है इनका, सो इन्हें बुलाना, इनके साथ में एसोसिएट होना कितना चैलेंजिंग होता है आपके लिए, कितना इजी था?
It was really easy because there were only two names
She
that
can't
came
say
to
it
mind.
was challenging. We're sitting right here.
You know, but it was just challenging to match their dates. That was extremely challenging. That I have to tell you, it was tough to get their dates. But in terms of choice, there was nobody else because our criteria was very clear. We wanted people, women who had really tested the boundaries, who had pushed, who had shown grit, shown determination, and managed to break the glass ceiling. And for us, therefore, these were the two individuals that came out, and so proud and so happy for this.
तापसी मैम, जैसे कि अभी बॉलीवुड में भी देखा जाए तो ग्रीन स्टोन की ज्वेलरी एक ज़्यादा ही कुछ फेमस हो रहा है, लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ये इसका जो डिज़ाइन है काफ़ी अलग है, इसमें ग्रीन स्टोन भी नहीं यूज़ किया गया, तो उसके बारे में क्या कुछ कहेंगे?
Yeah, I think trends will come and go, but what is classic will stay, and I think diamonds will stay forever. And a nice classic neat and clean design will stay forever. So I think ये सब trends तो आते जाते ही रहते हैं. So I would rather choose something
क्लासिक बिकॉज वो इन्वेस्टमेंट के हिसाब से भी अच्छा है गाइस.
तापसी जी ऐसी खबरें आ रही है कि ऐतराज 2 आ रहा है सुभाष घई के साथ.
अच्छा ये सुभाष घई से पूछो यार, मैं प्रोड्यूसर
कितनी
नहीं हूँ
सच्चाई
पिक्चर
है
की.
इसमें?
कितनी सच्चाई है मैं जब अगर मैंने कोई भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन किया मैं बता दूंगी.
इवन मैम अगर ज्वेलरी की बात करें तो आप दोनों को सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा कौन सा ज्वेलरी लगता है? इयररिंग्स या फिर नेकलेस ऐसा कुछ?
गुड क्वेश्चन. आई थिंक इयररिंग्स. बट प्रॉब्लम ये है कि इफ यू सी माय हेयर इट डजंट शो. दैट इज लाइक द प्रॉब्लम. बट मेरी 5 पियर्सिंग इसलिए मैंने कराई थी बिकॉज़ आई लव वेयरिंग इयररिंग्स. या बट बिकॉज़ ऑफ then I'll do a bun and show. तो मैं हेयर बैंड लगा के आई हूँ थोड़ा सा ताकि
Yeah, me too, I think, earrings. And as you
Yeah.
can see.
एंड सानिया जी लास्टली क्योंकि इंडिया फाइनल में आ चुकी है तो आपसे हम तापसी जी आपसे भी एक विश चाहेंगे क्या
हाँ.
कुछ विश करना चाहेंगे इंडिया न्यूजीलैंड संडे.
Well,
Yeah.
all the best. I think the boys are doing extremely well. मैं actually Dubai में हूँ, but I'm not going for the match. But I wish them all the best. Just and everything is मतलब जो भी they are doing, keep doing.
yeah, please don't change clothes.
Yeah. Just
Come in the same clothes.
like whatever you're doing, keep doing.
हाँ ठीक है. नहीं मैं सेम थिंग या मैं एक्चुअली उस टाइम पे शूट कर रही हूँ और मुझे पता है सेट पे सबका
Yeah.
साइड में फोन ऑन होने वाला है. सो इट्स गोना बी अ वेरी फनी
You
डे
can
ऑन
give
सेट.
any takes.
एंड एक्चुअली मेरा एक्शन है उस दिन. सो मैं काफी थोड़ी घबराई हुई हूँ. पता चले मैं एक्शन कर रही हूँ बाकी सारे फोन में ही लगे हैं. वो गिर गई कहीं मैं कुछ हो गया वो सारे फोन में लगे. वैसे सेट में मैंने देखा है जब भी मैच हुआ इंडिया का एंड हमारे एक्शन से भी सब फोन में. सो या आई थिंक इट्स गोना बी अ वेरी रिस्की डे ऑन 10th.
इवन लास्टली कल वुमेन्स डे और जिस प्रकार बॉलीवुड में भी और स्पोर्ट्स में भी वुमेन की मतलब लोकप्रियता बढ़ती जा रही है, लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, उसके बारे में क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
You know, where I feel sports में women are in our country at least. I've seen them being celebrated almost equally in a lot of. If I see all the sports put together, सिर्फ cricket की बात नहीं कर रही मैं.
Even cricket though today.
Yeah, today, yes,
even
it's
today. I mean, we are
gotten-
talking during a WPL that's going on, right?
Yeah.
So you could not have thought of this
But if
maybe
you
10
see
years
tennis,
ago.
if you see badminton, if you see wrestling, shooting,
Anything,
a lot
boxing.
of these, yeah, boxing. So all these things, वहाँ पे I don't feel the disparity in celebrating a woman as much as you see in films. But I'm just, as I said, I'm a very wannabe athlete. मुझे लगता है मैं या तो मैं पिछले जन्म में एथलीट थी या फ्यूचर में आने वाले में होंगी. मेरा ऑल्टर ईगो वो वाला है. So मैं वो देख के खुश हो जाती हूँ. And of course, there's a long way to go where film industry is concerned. A lot of us are working very hard to make the gap less and less. If not this generation, maybe next, but we are very hopeful.
Thank you.
Guys,
Thank
thank you so much.
Thank you.